Hey, thank you. Thank you, Chris Matheson. How did you get up there? You must have flown. It's a good job I've put this new covering, eh? Well, I haven't finished, but it's going to mean we're all in the dry for winter. Yes. Shh, Falcon, be quiet. Listening to the cheeps of male turkeys. Well, the ladies can't get up there. It's a good job we've got the cover, eh? Because I think you're into... Yes. Well, how'd you get down from there? Oh, not very difficult, is it? I don't think she's still very keen on you. Eh? Eh? You like to have the top perch, do you? Well, they're all settling in. It's getting to evening and I've tired you all out with my constructions to here. Oh. Yes, he's examining the roof. There we go. I don't know if Kirsty's going to let you take her place. Oh no, no, no. Kirsty takes top. Oopsie daisy. We're not happy about this. You really have to understand the pecking order here. Kirsty always has top seat, and she is not happy about this situation. Oh. Well, he's a bit of an escape artist, I can see. He's busy looking. I can see what you're thinking about. Oh yeah, well you tell him, Kirsty. You're not having these bolshy men turning up, and he's a young un anyway. He didn't retaliate. Christmas is busy having a discussion. Oh, well, Kirsty's not going to let you sit there now. I think I'm going to get another one. Another perch for everybody, eh? Because this is going to... I think my coffee table ought to stay for me. Yes. Right, I'm going to get you another perch.